we were thinking that our Alfa Romeo interior was looking a bit bland. It's like black gray here, black gray here, black gray here, black gray everywhere. Even the window switches. And to fix that, we got these 4 pieces just off of Amazon. They're in the description below the like button, so if you want your own, you can pick them out. Let's put these on ours, and then you could tell us how they look. On all 4 of the doors, you're gonna wanna take the primer that's included with this kit, and you're gonna wipe down pretty much everywhere that the adhesive from the underneath of the carbon fiber is going to make contact. You're doing this for 2 reasons. The primer is acting kind of like a cleaner, so it's going to clean the surface, and on top of that, it acts as an adhesive promoter. So it's going to make sure it has a strong bond when you put the top on the bottom of the panel. Cool. Window 1 done. Well, technically it's the top of the panel, it's the bottom of the adhesive. You know what I mean? It's cleaning and it's prepping the surface to have this new piece be on top of it. Legit. And of course, for all of them, you just peel off the backing, 3M tape. That's great. Mostly. We're coming in. And then you just stick it down on each surface, and man, does it look good. I love it. Let me know if you guys have any installation questions in the comments below. We'll be so happy to help you out. We think the driver's side one looks the best. We love the Italian flag little touch. The one on the passenger side, we wish there was more design on it because there's a whole lot of carbon and it's really bare, but that's just our take on it. We love it either way. This is just a huge piece. Oh my god, it's gonna like lift up your entire dash or the entire window trim.
Oh my god.
Quick tip. When you're laying these down, I would align it with the back of the door panel and then also with the middle of the window switch. That way you get the best alignment of it. Well, I guess we don't have to worry about it coming off. And as you just saw, be careful because when you put it back down, it's gonna be pretty hard to pull it back up without it possibly pulling apart your door panel. So just be careful when you place it. That's your final placement of it. And when you do place it down, I would like press and hold each little area for like 10 seconds. That way you know the adhesive forms a good bond with the panel. We just got this kit off of Amazon, so if you want to pick up one for yourself, for your Alfa Romeo, we'll have a kit in the description below the like button. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun installing these guys. It's like Blay? Oh!